Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're finding that your computer takes forever to start up, you're not alone. Today, we're going to show you how to optimize your startup programs to get your system booting faster and running more efficiently. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is access the Task Manager. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard, or you can right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager from the menu. Once Task Manager is open, you'll see a variety of tabs. We're interested in the Startup tab, so go ahead and click on that. Step 1. Understanding the Startup tab. Here in the Startup tab, you'll see a list of all the programs that launch when you start your computer. Each entry shows the program's name, the publisher, the status, whether it's enabled or disabled, and the startup impact. The Startup Impact column indicates how much a program affects your boot time. Programs with a high impact are the main culprits slowing down your startup. Step 2. Disabling unnecessary programs. Now, let's look at how to disable unnecessary programs. If there's a program you don't need to start automatically, you can disable it. For example, if you have Skype starting up every time and you rarely use it, you can disable it. To disable a program, simply click on it to highlight it, then click the Disable button at the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window. Remember, this doesn't uninstall the program, it just stops it from running at startup. Step 3. Identifying essential programs. Be careful not to disable essential programs. Some programs are necessary for your system to function correctly. For example, your antivirus software should remain enabled to ensure your system's security. If you're unsure whether a program is essential, it's best to leave it enabled or do a quick search online to find out more about it. Step 4. Settings app for startup management. In addition to Task Manager, you can manage startup programs through the Settings app. To do this, click on the Start menu and select Settings. Then, go to Apps and click on Startup. Here, you can see a similar list of programs and toggle them on or off. Step 5. Optimizing services. Beyond startup programs, there are also system services that start with Windows. To manage these, we need to open the System Configuration tool. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type msconfig, and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab. Check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services to avoid disabling essential system services. Then, you can review and disable any third-party services you don't need. Step 6. Removing startup programs via the registry. For advanced users, you can also remove startup programs via the Windows registry. This method is more technical and should be done with caution. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to HKEY_current_user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, run in HKEY_local_machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, run. Here, you can see the startup entries. Right-click on any entry you want to remove and select Delete. Remember to back up your registry before making any changes. And there you have it. By managing your startup programs and services, you can significantly improve your computer's boot time and overall performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy computing!